Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Today we are going to learn 50 plus Malayalam words related to job or work. So let's see those words and learn it. First one is job, work, employment. So these words, they are used interchangeably. So job, work, employment takes the words joli, udyogam, toril. They are used interchangeably. So joli is the common one. Udyogam, toril, toril. Next one, worker. Worker is jolikaran. Worker is jolikaran or torilali. Torilali. Jolikaran or torilali. Worker. Co-worker. Co-worker is sahapravartagan. Sahapravartagan, that is for male, and then sahapravartaga for female. Sahapravartagan or sahapravartaga. Workplace. Workplace is joli sthalam. Workplace is joli sthalam. So that's really simple because work is joli and place is sthalam. So it's just the adding both those words. Joli sthalam. Working hours. Working hours is joli samayam. Joli samayam. Working hours. Joli samayam. Employee. Employee is jeevanakaran. Employee is jeevanakaran. Jeevanakaran. Employer is toriludama. 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 To apply. To apply as in applying a job is apekshikuga. 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 So for example, the sentence Jolikku apekshikuga. Jolikku apekshikuga. So to apply is apekshikuga. Applicant. Applicant is udyogarthi. Applicant is udyogarthi or apekshagan. Udyogarthi or apekshagan. Udyogarthi. So basically udyogarthi means one who seeks the job. So udyogarthi or apekshagan. Boss. Boss is mudalali. Mudalali. Boss is mudalali. Leave or holiday. So both are different in English, but it takes the same word in Malayalam. So leave or holiday is avadi. 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 Sick leave is asugavadi. Sick leave is asugavadi. Asugam is sickness and leave is avadi. So asugavadi. Maternity leave. Maternity leave is prasavavadi. Prasavavadi. So maternity is, so actually delivery is prasavam. So maternity leave gets the name from there. It's prasavavadi. Maternity leave. To fire is purattakuga. To fire is purattakuga. 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 To fire. To hire is jolikedukkuga. Jolikedukkuga. To hire is jolikedukkuga. Interview. Interview is abhimukam. Abhimukam. Interview is abhimukam. Office is karyalayam. 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 Office is karyalayam. Pay or salary. that it is shambalam. Shambalam. Pay or salary is shambalam. Pay raise. Pay raise is shambala vardhanavu. Pay raise is shambala vardhanavu. Shambala vardhanavu. Shambala vardhanavu. Vardhanavu is raise. Pay raise is shambala vardhanavu. Pension. Pension is aduttun. Pension is aduttun. Aduttun. Pension is aduttun. Post or position, like as in applying to a post, that post or position is called tastiga. 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 Post or position is tastiga. Promotion. Promotion. Promotion is sthanakayattam. 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 So basically, kayatam is like going to the next step. So sthanam is position and kayatam is climbing up. So sthanakayatam is promotion. Qualification. Qualification is yogyada. Yogyada. Qualification is yogyada. Yogyada. Quit or resign is raji vekyuga. To quit or resign is raji vekyuga. Raji vekyuga. Resignation letter. Resignation letter is rajikat. 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 Resignation letter. Training. Training is parishilanam. Training is parishilanam. Parishilanam. Unemployment. Unemployment is തൊഴിലില്ലായ്മ. തൊഴിലില്ലായ്മ. Unemployment is തൊഴിലില്ലായ്മ. Temporary. Temporary is താൽക്കാലികം. താൽക്കാലികം. Talkaligam. So how this is related to job is there are temporary posts in a job, some are permanent posts. So temporary. Talkaligam. Talkaligam. Permanent. Permanent is sthiram. Sthiram. Permanent is sthiram. So transfer. Transfer is sthalam matam. Sthalam matam. Sthalam means place and matam is changing. So basically someone is getting changed from a certain place. So that is transfer. Transfer is sthalam matam. Attendance. Attendance is hajar. Attendance is hajar. 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 Attendance. Supervisor. Supervisor is മേൽനോട്ടക്കാരൻ. Supervisor is മേൽനോട്ടക്കാരൻ. മേൽനോട്ടക്കാരൻ. Peon is ശിപായി. Peon is ശിപായി. Clerk is ഗുമസ്തൻ. Clerk is ഗുമസ്തൻ. Gumastan. So these words are related to government jobs mostly. So clerk is gumastan. Next one is advisor or mentor. Advisor or mentor is upadeshagan. Upadeshagan. Advisor, mentor is upadeshagan. Inspector is parishodagan. Inspector is parishodagan. Parishodagan. So this is not related to police inspector. It is just a person who does the inspection. Parishodagan. Parishodagan. Contractor. Contractor is kararukaran. 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 Contractor. Operation. Operation is pravarti. Like as an operation of an office. So pravarti. Operation is pravarti. Performance. Performance is pragadanam. Pragadanam. Performance is pragadanam. Records is രേഖകൾ 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 records is രേഖകൾ branch is shakha branch is shakha shakha like as in branches of an office shakha and actually branches of a tree is also can be shakha but in this context it is branches of an office headquarters headquarters is asthanam headquarters is asthanam asthanam service is sevanam service is sevanam sevanam service is sevanam agreement is udambadi agreement is udambadi udambadi agreement is udambadi benefits is ആനുകൂല്യങ്ങൾ 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 benefits institution is സ്ഥാപനം സ്ഥാപനം institution is സ്ഥാപനം on time is കൃത്യസമയം 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 overtime is അധിക സമയം അധിക സമയം അധിക സമയം part time is ഭാഗിക സമയം part time is ഭാഗിക സമയം ഭാഗിക സമയം so those were our 50 plus words related to job or work in Malayalam. I hope you enjoyed it and please do use the comment section to comment about some other categories that we can learn about like this was the category here job or work related so similarly what other categories of words would you like to know from this channel so please do comment that in the comment section and as always please do hit like and share and if you're watching this channel for the first time please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.